Alex Tech split sleeving is a perfect way to clean up a mess of cables. It's UL listed and easy to use. All you need to do is measure the length you need, cut with sharp scissors, burn the ends, and feed your cables. When you're finished, instead of having a wad of wires, you're left with one sleek and clean looking cord. It's also a great way to protect cords from cats, kids, and robot vacuums. If you need cords to exit the sleeve at different locations, you can do that too. Just pull the cord out from the side at the desired location. Before purchasing, I recommend trying to gather your wires and measure the approximate diameter. I would buy the size that's closest to your measurement without sizing down. The split sleeves look better when they're loaded to capacity versus when there's a bunch of extra space. You can buy the split sleeving in 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, or 1 1/4 inch. They come in lengths of 10 feet or 25 feet. This split sleeving is awesome and is perfect for cleaning up your office, home theater, or other electronic cords. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in buying split sleeving, please consider purchasing with the affiliate links in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.